Programming free turning, yo-yo. Firstly, we will give a brief overall introduction to the system interface. The system interface is divided into 10 areas: alarm information display and machine running status display, processing progress and time display, selection of manual cutting and automatic cutting modes, main processing menu areas, the current processing technology, display of external button linkage device, such as hand wheel speed adjustment, rapid traverse and spindle speed adjustment, 6 display of absolute coordinates and relative coordinates, greater than current processing technology data input, tool offset and tool compensation input area, general settings and technical diagnosis areas, such as languages, standard units like diameter and radius, programming methods, etc. Next, the practical demonstration will be presented. Click the H icon. Select the step shaft process from the arc machining operations. After creating the step shaft, enter the workpiece parameters in sequence: Z-axis machining length, bar left diameter, bar right diameter, and the radius of the circular arc. Construct the step shafts in sequence. Put in parameters in each step shafts. 3D effects display. Pull up the handle to start the spindle. Turn the hand wheel to perform tool settings. Pull up the handle to start cutting.